Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can share your iPhone internet connection with PC via USB. So make sure your personal hotspot is enabled here. So enable it, and then you are going to basically plug your phone to your computer, and you're going to find your network settings, and then you'll be able to connect your internet connection from your iPhone to your PC. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.